2020 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. What is that? Hemi, babe. Now it's got stock converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. He didn't want a lot of drones, so we left that resonator on there for him. Then what we did is put a FLOWMASTER Super 10 right there, as you guys can see. Offset, offset. Part number 842518, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Beautiful little FLOWMASTER Super 10. Then what else we did was a resonator, rear resonator delete on each side, right there and right there, into 5-inch rolled black tips by 18s. Right there. As you guys can see, it looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. It's a LARAMIE edition. There's the 2 resonators and tips we cut off. There's the muffler we cut off. As you guys can see, after, before. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you like the sound, make sure you share. Much better. That's mine right there. Haven't done anything to it yet. Much better. That's nice. Woo. There's sound decibels. 103 FLOWMASTER Super 10 with 2 resonator deletes and 5-inch tips. See how it has that bite to it? Let us know what you guys think in the comments. We'll let you hear it on the inside. Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. Can't go wrong with a Hemi. That beautiful blue color, one of my favorites, as you guys already know. And then the 5-inch tips, one of my favorites also, and I think you guys know that too.